So yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm creating a different kind of the videos like after so many DMs in my Instagram, so I'm creating this video. This is the Python roadmap video. Whether you guys are a complete beginner or maybe in the intermediate level, so this roadmap video is very good for you guys. Although if you are planning to preparing for the data science kind of the job role or maybe the AI engineer kind of the job role, so this roadmap is also essential. Maybe the data analytics or the AI automation kind of the job role. So all the coverages I completed I created this in this roadmap. So let's get started. So in this roadmap, you are seeing like you need to firstly set up for running the Python programming language. So there are multiple platforms where you can easily run the Python programming. Although I'm telling to the one of the platform like the VS Code, like Jupyter Notebook. There is a Google Colab name platform in the you can search in the Google section as well, like the Replit platform in the Google section as well. So where you can learn the Python like for the running the Python program step by step. In these of the platform, one of the platform I will recommend it to you, like the Jupyter Notebook. Why I'm recommended to you, like in the industries the Jupyter Notebook is very using there, like that is the reason. Now comes into the Python fundamentals. Like in the Python fundamentals, you are initially learning with the variables and data types kind of the things. What is the int float kind of the things, like type conversion to that particular data set. We convert that particular type, and the like input output kind of the things, like operators kind of the things you will learn. And in each of the steps you need to solve that questions, like you are trying because you are in the learning phase. So at that particular kind of the concepts related to those concepts, you need to solve that kind of the problems statement as well. Now comes into the conditional statements, like if else condition, if else condition, like nested conditions, like logical operator and or not. And after that I solve the practice problem as well. Although if you are from some another kind of the programming language like the C++, or maybe the Java, so this programming language while learning, if for you it is easy for you. So now comes into the loops section. You will learn like the for loop, the while loop, the range and nested loops kind of the things, like the break, continue and pass kind of the things you will learn here. After that, in the second phase, you will learn like the what is strings, like indexing and slicing kind of the things you will learn here, like string methods you will learn here. And after that, you need to create some mini project kind of the things where all of the concept which previously you already learned here. So you will directly revised while creating in the mini project. So these things completes. Now jump into the collections. Like here you will learn like the list and tuples kind of the things, like common methods kind of the things. And after that solve the problems as well. In the function section you will learn like what is function. There are two types of the function in the Python, like the inbuilt functions and the user defined function, where you are defining the function like with your own circumstances or with your own use cases. You will define that particular function as well. Now jump into the modules and packages. Like you will learn like the modules, in which of the packages should you need to import that particular module. So that kind of the things you will learn here. And after that, you need to learn like file handling, exception handling kind of the things. One thing I'm telling to you, each you need to learn each and every steps each and everything step by step, not jump into the directly like if you are a beginner, so don't need to jump directly like if you like you learn the conditional statement and directly jump into the function. Don't need to do that kind of the things, because there are many kind of the things people forget at the beginner stage, so that is the reason. This is the very very important section, like in the you will learn the object oriented programming, where you will learn like what is class and object sets, what is methods. Here you will learn like the encapsulation, the polymorphism, like inheritance kind of the things you will learn here. And after that create some mini project like the ATM. You can create the ATM application kind of the things with the help of the object oriented programming. And after that the iterators, the generators kind of the things you will learn here, like the yield and generator functions you will learn here. And now jump into the advanced Python kind of the things, where you will learn like comprehensions, like context managers. These are very very important if you are targeting for the AI engineering kind of the job role. And after that the data classes comes into the picture, like regex basics kind of the things comes into the picture. In the test debugging and code quality kind of the things, you will learn like the pytest unit test. You will learn like read and trace backs carefully, and logging and debugging kind of the things. In the logging you will learn like whenever in your code base some of the error comes into the picture, so handling those kind of the error we are using the logging, that kind of the things you will learn here. And there is also two tools I mentioned, like the black, that rough, that mypy kind of the things. Each and after each and individual steps you will clear, so these kind of the things would be very very easy for you guys. Okay, so now jump into the DSA and data structures and algorithm section. One thing that I'm telling to you, like after completing the function section, you can directly jump into the data structures and algorithm as well. Okay, so now in the data structures and algorithm you will learn like arrays, strings, stack queues kind of the things, the big o notation, the time complexity kind of the things that you will learn here. And the git and github workflow you will learn here. And in the after that you will learn like the automation and web scraping kind of the things, like with the help of the beautiful soap and the selenium, how to extract data from that particular website. So these kind of things you will learn. So the I created, so the Python programming language is useful for the data analysis or data science and machine learning kind of the things, like the deep learning and artificial intelligence, like the backend development and the automation, like AI automation kind of the things, where the Annette and workflow comes into the picture, like the make.coms appear. Or with the help of the web workflow, where we can easily find out that kind of things. And yeah, there are some in the data analysis, there are some of the libraries comes into the picture, like the numpy, the pandas, the for the data cleaning purpose, and the matplotlib. And these kind of the things you will learn here. For representing the data you will use the statistics kind of the concepts. After that the regression and classification kind of the things. Although I will create some of the roadmap, I will create the detailed roadmap of these of the job role, like data analysis, data science, machine learning separately. So make sure to hit the like button as well. And after that the project section now at the end comes into the picture, like in the beginner, if you are a beginner, like create the project like the calculator app kind of things, like quiz app kind of the things, like to do list you can create, and the number games kind of the things you can create like this. And in the intermediate level you can scrap the data from that any kind of the website, that kind of things, like weather application kind of the things you will create here. And expense tracker, these are some examples I give it to you. like after completing while learning the Python, like side by side, you need to create these kind of the projects as well, so it will strengthen your concepts as well. So this is also the learning plan, like first 1 to 2 month you need to create learn the fundamental loops kind of the things. If you are a beginner, so these learning plan also be would be the essential for you, like essential maybe according to your circumstances you can create your own schedule as well, so it is up to you guys. Like so for the interview preparation, right now I'm creating some of the Python related, like I'm creating the 100 plus series of the Python programming language. You can check it out in my YouTube playlist. So i'm I'm also planning to like each and each individual kind of the things I will learn, I will teach in my YouTube section as well. So make sure to hit the like button. Also, if you want, I will share these into the PDF format in my description. So let me know in the comment section as well. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and make sure to hit the like button. Let me know in the comment section what are the things, and if any of the technology related kind of the things you wanted to know about that, so that things you can also comment in the comment section as well. So thank you so much, guys, to watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys, means a lot.